Anyway, we are leaving Seymour. There's a big traffic snarl-up thing going on. To get back on 64 is like 12 minutes, and I didn't feel like sitting there, so now I'm on a county road. Not everybody has got a body like a you. It's a Limp Bizkit version. Back off. Even if it takes a little longer, it's much more comfortable and moving. It's pretty. I thought it was funny though. It told me there was a sign that said no outlet to 64, and there may not be for a few miles. Besides, right over there 64. If I wanted to get on it, I could get on it. I don't call it an ATV bike for nothing, actually, and it worked anyway. I think. Maybe. Oh no, it didn't. There's a big lot of traffic out here too. Tempted to just keep going straight. Can I not get? Oh shit! I can't get on the interstate right there. Oh, that's not good. Yep, I guess we're going this way to see how bad it works out. What the hell's this guy doing? Guy on a motorcycle, talking to somebody. Dad's back there bitching about something, I hear him. What the hell? Hello, interstate. I'm trying to get with you, baby. I'm trying to. Just ain't working. It's one of the few times you'll ever hear me say, damn it, wish I was on the interstate. Somebody's added this little sign just recently. It's not a permanent sign. It's like, all you people that came here just for the eclipse, get the fuck out. Go this way. I went 10 minutes out of my way to avoid a 9-minute slowdown, and now there's an 11-minute slowdown in front of me. Fantabulous. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and say that didn't work out. Coming up to what the GPS is a 12-minute slowdown because I solved problems. GPS is saying it's a 19-minute slowdown. Alright, I'm going to admit it. I thought I had outsmarted the traffic, but it turns out that I did not. It says it's only 8 more minutes though. I'm looking at my GPS. It wants me to take a left here after this big slowdown we were just in. But then when I see the interstate, I see traffic slowed down on the interstate too. And if I look at the map, it says 6 minutes faster if I just go straight. So guess what's getting ready to happen? Well, now it says 5 minutes faster. In a minute. Oh, there's an accident on the interstate. Booyakasha, Brian's a genius. I just avoided sitting in traffic for another 20 minutes. Because now it says plus 20 over there. Take that, GPS. I always knew I knew better than you. Dad's behind me confused. He's like, why are we getting on the interstate? Traffic dead stopped over there. I have once again snatched victory from the jaws of defeat. Let's roll, baby. Ah, shit. It's red up here again. Alright, so what we learned is that the eclipse did, in fact, release the apocalypse. Just not in the way we thought. Every road going south is completely kaplucked. I'm getting ready to go over I-64 south of Indianapolis. And you can see, I'm looking at GPS, it's just like that for miles and miles and miles. It's showing like 30-minute delays and shit. So, we fought against it for a little bit, heroically. Very creatively and with a lot of intelligence, but I failed miserably. So now I'm backtracking, retreating, and going back a different way, completely off the radar of the rest of these people, because they all suck and I'm smarter. Plus it takes longer. My camera went dead. We was trying to sidetrack a little bit to get around some of the traffic because I didn't realize it went on for just literally miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. And so we went through this little town, and they decided today would be a good day to set up and do a fundraiser at the traffic light in town, so they got traffic all stopped. Which is great, I get it, take advantage of the situation, more traffic, more money, blah blah blah. But I don't think they realize they have traffic backed up for about 6 miles. Left my lover in old Kentucky. Get on back over and give me something. And I hate that I deliver, but you know that don't deceive her. Damn! That's a heller chimney. Still smells funny right here though. What that is. Probably cancer. It's inevitable. We're going to be sitting in traffic. We're just going the wrong way. We just went north. Let's assuming all these people are going over the bridge too is what the problem is. Totally giving up. Just going whichever way this thing tells me to go at this point. I don't even think this is a road. I promise the GPS is telling me to do it. I'm trying people's driveways. I guess it's a road though. Not a very big road, but it seems to be a road. It's a motorcycle-sized road. Hello, buddy. Who's gonna let me out? Alright, so we're going over the Ohio River. We should hit the Kentucky line somewhere on this bridge. Something about bridges. Traffic jams that you gotta love. Come on, baby. Let's get to rolling. After this, it should be smooth sailing. Looking at the map, we'll finally be out of this nightmare of traffic nonsense. Somebody did a donut on top of the bridge. Look at that. Welcome back to Kentucky. Left your woman and now you're fucking. Anyway, so now we're going down the other side of the Ohio River. We came up this morning on that side of the Ohio River. I can actually see the road over there that we were on. Pretty cool. And we got her rolling. We're going to keep her rolling. Get her done. Look at this. Right in the middle of town, and it's a pass zone. That's weird. Alright, you little mouseketeers. We are about 45 minutes from where I'm splitting ways with Dad. It's behind me. He never gets in front of me. I don't know why. He just always refuses. So I never have any video of him. But anyway, we're about 45 minutes away from splitting, going our separate ways. So there should be one more stop on this trip, and we'll split up there, get gas, and then he'll go his way and I'll go my way. And that'll be the end of this trip, which has been a pretty awesome trip. I am getting pretty tired. Been riding since about 9 o'clock this morning.